Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the standard 7 first chapter. Revision of first chapter is already done in last class. इसमें भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर यह है कि जैसे जर्मन मैथमेटिशियन का क्रेडिट किया गया है इन्वेंशन ऑफ द मॉडर्न बाइनरी सिस्टम। मॉडर्न बाइनरी सिस्टम का इन्वेंशन किसने किया था। उसके बाद 4 बिट्स में क्या होता है, 2 नेबल्स क्या होगा, है ना। उसके बाद मोस्ट कंप्यूटर सिस्टम यूज द बाइट और ए मल्टीपल ऑफ बाइट 16 बिट 24 34 60 हेक्साडेसिमल मेक इट इजियर टू राइट द लार्ज बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम। एंड जैसे किस नंबर सिस्टम में 8 जो है बेस होता है, ये है। उसके बाद इसका जो एक बार फिर से रिवीजन है ऑब्जेक्टिव का, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में द बेस ऑफ द बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम इज 2 एंड बेस ऑफ द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम is 10. Octal number system consists of 8 digits. In binary addition 1 is equal to 10, and a binary number system is used to understand the computer system. And hexadecimal number system use the 16 symbol to represent number. In binary number subtraction 1 minus 1 is equal to 1, and you cannot perform the arithmetical operation on a binary number system is false. In decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. The method of operation of division of two binary system is not the same, that is the decimal number system is false. And 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 is true. And Charles Babbage introduced the concept of the 0 is false. The number system, the numbers used in the octal number system is 1 to 7 is false. MCQ, Arjbhat introduced the concept of a 0. A digital computer converts the decimal format into binary equivalent. A computer understands only binary codes. In a binary multiplication 1 and 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. To convert the decimal number system into binary number system, divide the number by 2. These are the revision of the chapter 1. Now chapter 2, using Excel as a database. Excel का एक database के रूप में इसका इस्तेमाल करना। इस चैप्टर का सेकेंड टाइम रिवीजन। पहला पीरियोडिक टेबल में, पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में मैंने इसका सारा कुछ कराया हुआ है, ऑब्जेक्टिव भी है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी हो चुका है। एक बार फिर रिवीजन देखिए। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ये डाटाबेस हेल्प द यूजर टू organize, retrieve, sort and edit the data as needed. A form window is a screen that consists of the numerous fields to space to enter, modify and view one record at a time. A field name is a column labels for the field in the database. To resist the number of a data various values while entering the data in the cell, use the data validation option. To search the record with a specific value, click on the criteria button in the form. A pivot table provides the easy way to present the data in the summarized way. Now, true false. Records referred to the row in a database is true. Field name can be duplicated in the database is false. You can store the data only in one field is false. A field represent the column in a database is true. Subtotal value in the database are calculated with the count function is false. In a database you cannot rearrange the data as per needed is false. Conditional formatting sets a cell format according to the condition you are specifying. Now MCQ. Which among the following features is used to filter the data in the multiple field using the specified criteria? Answer is advanced features. Second, which button under the data tab is used to remove the duplicate value from one and more column is remove data. Which features in a database provide easy to enter, modify and view one record at a time is form. Which features help you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria is filter. Which features allow us to arrange the given data according to a particular field either in the ascending or the descending order is sort. So these are the revision for the chapter 1 and 2. Next class I will continue with the next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.